Are you ready to unlock the secrets of getting rich with AI? The revolution is here, and it's transforming lives and careers like never before. As we dive into the world of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to understand how to leverage this powerful tool to create wealth. In this video, we will explore actionable steps to harness AI's potential to enrich your life and career. Recent advancements have democratized access to technology. This means anyone can now use AI tools, like ChatGPT, to enhance their productivity and creativity. The crucial point here is the evolution of AI from niche technologies to accessible tools for everyone. The AI revolution is not just about the machines, it's about how we adapt our skills to work alongside these technologies. With AI's exponential growth, particularly through tools that learn and evolve, the opportunities for wealth creation are limitless. However, the bottleneck often lies in our ability to ask the right questions and utilize these tools effectively. Understanding how AI impacts various industries is essential. While some fear job loss due to AI, it's more accurate to say that AI will change the job landscape. Some roles will become obsolete, but new opportunities will arise for those willing to adapt. Historically, technological advancements have improved existing processes rather than uprooting them. For example, the internet enhanced traditional businesses by providing a wider reach. Similarly, AI will streamline operations and create new roles, especially in fields like healthcare, marketing, and creative industries. To not just survive but thrive in the age of AI, one must embrace change. This involves continuous learning and adapting to new tools. Whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur, your ability to leverage AI will determine your relevance in the job market. AI provides a unique form of leverage, enabling individuals and businesses to maximize their output without proportional increases in input. For instance, if you run an agency, AI can streamline communication, automate routine tasks, and generate content, allowing you to focus on growth and strategy. If you're a content creator or a copywriter, AI can eliminate creative blocks and provide a wealth of ideas. By using AI to outline your content, you can significantly increase your output and efficiency. This means that where you once handled 10 clients, you can now manage 20, thanks to AI's assistance. If you work as a consultant or coach, AI can revolutionize your workflow. Tools like Microsoft Copilot can transcribe meetings, summarize notes, and even generate presentations based on your discussions. This not only saves you time but also enhances your service delivery. Despite the automation and efficiency AI brings, the human element remains irreplaceable. Building relationships, understanding client needs, and providing a personal touch in services are aspects that AI cannot replicate. Your unique human qualities are your greatest asset in a technology-driven world. The landscape of work is changing, and with it, the opportunities for wealth creation. As AI continues to evolve, new markets will emerge, and those who are quick to adapt will reap the rewards. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or expand your existing business, now is the time to act. In conclusion, the journey to wealth creation through AI is not just about understanding technology. It's about leveraging it to enhance your skills and value. The potential for AI to transform how we work and create is immense, and those who embrace it will find themselves at the forefront of a new economic landscape.